Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.0-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 56,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include comfort package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking, sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.